So these are the THOCCKY Ceramic V2 keycaps. THOCCKY was nice enough to send me the A and B set. Now these keycaps are made with alumina ceramic. The thickness is 1.6 millimeters, and they also did come with a switch and keycap puller. Now these keycaps are really smooth, they're a bit shiny. They're also cold to the touch. These are definitely one of the most high quality keycaps. They have a unique sound profile, and it just makes everything dark, honestly. They also sometimes make the keyboard sound marbly, so depending on what sound profile you want for your keyboard, these might be a great fit. And this is what it sounds like.